So we're finally in our hotel, and it's a new one for us, and we actually like it, right?
So
It's
far,
very
it's
nice.
brilliant. We've got a lot of good points.
Out of our window, we can see the park, and there is a light show right there in the park. So we can see from our window that light show. It's amazing.
Well, we're lucky because today in Rome is a big holiday. It's Madonna Immacolata. And all the transport buses and metro are free. So we just came right to the celebration.
To tell you the truth, this is our favorite place. We always eat here next to Pantheon, and we always order pasta fagioli. It's so good here, and it's actually hard to find. So we are lucky to find this place. This is our first dinner today, and we enjoy it so much. O'clock at night, and gelato place is still open, because what if somebody would want to eat some ice cream? You never know. Even at night, there is always life here. There is always something to do. There are always places to eat. There are always interesting things to find. And it's beautiful. This is why it's cool to come really late, because you can see the fountain like that, almost empty. Ta-da! Wow, I'm amazed. We were traveling for 16 hours or even maybe more. And then we walked around Centro Storico for I don't know how many hours. Now it's 1:30 and metro just closed and lights just turned off and we were lost in that metro. That's the travelers. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us.